Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a pin lock in the Viber app. Adding a pin lock is a great way to keep your chats private and secure. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, so let's jump right in. So for that, firstly you have to locate Viber in your phone and open it. And once you have opened the Viber app, click on the chat which you want to secure by the help of pin. After that, click on the three dots option which is located on the top right corner of the screen and simply click on the chat info. Now click on the option saying hide this chat. Now click on the option saying set pin. Now type a 4-digit pin code which you will remember in future. As you can see, the chat is currently hidden. In order to access the chat, click on the search icon which is located on the top right corner of the screen and type the pin code in the search box. Once you click the pin code, you can see the chat which you have hidden. You have successfully added a pin lock to your Viber app, giving your chats an extra layer of security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.